I'm going to talk about a couple of apps that are really useful to help your music making at home. So the first one I've got on here is a type of tuner. Mine's called Cleartune, but there's lots of others available in the App Store. So there's lots of free ones available. So let's have a look at mine. Click that. Okay, and you can see the tuner. So the microphone on my phone can pick up my voice. That's why it's whizzing around as I'm talking. So we're going to use this to tune our instruments. So I've got my violin handy. We always start with the A string. So here's my A. You can see both arrows, the green one and the red one, are a bit below A. We call that flat. That A is sounding a bit flat. So what we need to do is tighten up the fine adjuster at the bottom of your violin. I'm going to tighten that. And there we have it, that's our A string. Let's try the D string. That's a little bit sharp. The arrows are on the other side of D, so it's a little bit sharp, so I have to turn the adjuster anti-clockwise to loosen the string. So let's do that. Great, and then the G. G's nice and in tune. Let's try the E string. So the arrows are on the other side of E, so that is sharp. It is too high. So we need to loosen off the adjuster and turn it anti-clockwise. So there we go. So my violin's nicely in tune to do some practice. Okay, let's look at the other app as well then. Is a type of metronome. Mine's called Metrotimer, but again there'll be others available. Let's hit the icon. There we go. It comes up with a number. We can change that number. So let's hit go and see what happens. So that's currently beating 91 beats per minute. So if we want to go faster than that, we can use this slide here and go really, really fast. Or we can relax it, going a bit slower. And if we want to get it exactly, say, 105, we can go up slowly like that. Okay. So that provides a steady beat if you want to play your scales in time, or make sure you keep going at the same tempo all the way through your practice. So have a go of those apps. I'm sure they're going to help you with your practice at home.